Hidden voice recorder on Android or iPhone. Check and remove it now. Now let's clear something up immediately. There is no magical hidden voice recorder sitting on every phone spying on you. But here is the real issue. Some apps can actually record audio in the background if they have permission. And many users accidentally allow it without realizing what they have agreed to. So the danger is not a secret built-in spy tool. The danger is permissions you forgot that you gave away. Now in this video, I'll show you exactly how audio recording access works on Android and iPhone, how to check which apps can use your microphone, and how to shut it down completely if something looks suspicious. So let's get into it. Now, firstly, can your phone really record you? Your phone can only record audios if an app has microphone permission. The app is actively running in the background, in some cases, of course, and the system allows it, meaning that you approved it earlier. Now, modern iOS systems are built with strict privacy rules. So most apps are going to ask you for microphone permissions. Okay. And they're going to be appearing before every startup of the app. Okay. And you can go ahead and either choose to give it those permissions or you don't. But what most users do is they pretty much don't really think about it and they're going to go ahead and allow those permissions. Like they've given Instagram permissions, Snapchat permissions, TikTok, etc. Now, apps cannot secretly activate your mic without your permission. Okay. Those permissions are going to appear right here. And of course, it depends on whatever device you're on. But, generally, like let's say we're on Android, the permissions are going to appear something as so, okay, in every single app where they're going to be like, hey, do you want to allow this app to use your microphone? You can only allow while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow at all. Now, most people just skip this process because they think it is a hassle, it's a time waste, and they're going to go ahead with it. Now, some apps are designed to always have access once you grant it, and that is where users are going to get caught off guard. So every time that you install an app, it may request these accesses to your microphone, your camera, contacts. Most people, as I said, just tap allow without actually thinking the consequence. Now, over time, this is going to build a list of apps that can potentially access your microphone. Now, those examples can include social media apps, messaging apps, voice assistants, some games here and there, random flashlight or utility apps, and that is obviously where it gets risky. If an app does not need microphone access, it should not have it. So on Android, you can simply go over to your settings and go to your app permissions. Over here, you can simply select microphone on the app and you could go to don't allow. Okay, you're going to ask yourself on every app, does this app actually need the use of a microphone? If not, simply deny or don't allow it. Be as strict here as you can. Only keep access for phone calls, messaging apps that you use for voice, trusted assistants like Google Assistant if you use it. Everything else should be reviewed very carefully. Now, on iPhone, it is sort of a different story. Now, on iPhone, what you're going to want to do is basically, again, you're going to go to your settings. Inside your settings, you're going to go to privacy and security. In privacy and security, you're going to go ahead and tap microphone. And once you tap microphone, you're going to see a list of apps with the access of it. Now you're going to go through those apps one by one. And while you're looking through them, turn off the access for anything unnecessary. Now, Apple is very strict with permissions, but users still over approve the apps during the installation. Now, cleaning that specific list regularly is one of the easiest privacy upgrades that you can do. Now, both Android and iPhone show indicators when your mic is active. Now, on iPhone, a green or orange icon appears in the status bar. In Android, another green microphone icon appears in the status bar. If you see this and you are not using voice features, something is active in the background. Immediately, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and open up your recent apps, check which of these apps is running, close it, and then review all of its permissions. This is your real-time warning system. Now, be especially careful with different nitty-gritty scam apps like free cleaner apps, unknown utility apps, modified APKs, unverified keyboard apps, random recording or editing apps. These are often the ones that request microphone access without a clear reason. Now, a rule of thumb, if an app's main purpose is not voice or communication, it should not need your mic. Now, to tighten the privacy further on, disable any background activity for suspicious applications, revoke any microphone permissions completely, uninstall any apps that you don't specifically trust for yourself. On Android, you can also use permission auto reset, which is basically an Android feature. And it is one of the best features that you can get when it comes to situations like these, because permission auto reset on your Android phones won't exactly go ahead and ask you to go ahead and choose every app individually. What you can do is you can simply go ahead and auto reset automatically on all of the applications that are floating around, okay? And removing them is a jiffy. On iPhone, microphone access is automatically revoked if apps are unused for a while. But you should still manually check, because this ensures that apps cannot silently keep access over time. Now, there are warning signs that people report when permissions are mismanaged. Battery drains faster than usual. Phone starts warming up when it is idle. Random ads start appearing. Apps are going to start opening slowly or behaving oddly. Unknown apps are going to appear in your list. And none of these automatically mean that you are being recorded, but they are signals to your system. Now, there are also apps marketed online as hidden recorder apps, spy trackers, parental control tools, employee monitoring apps. Some of these are legitimate in controlled environments, but if installed without your knowledge, they become a privacy risk. So do a simple checklist, remove any apps that cause issues or don't need your microphone. Your phone is not secretly spying on you by default, but your permissions can turn into something much more powerful than you intended. The real issue is not hidden recorders, it's over permissioned apps. Take 5 minutes, check your microphone access, remove anything unnecessary, and that is pretty much about it. So that is all for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.